Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today I'm going to share with you the healthiest lunch if you are trying to lose weight. Okay, the side benefit, if you want anti-inflammation, if you want to get rid of diabetes, if you want to have a good cancer preventative meal, it's all of that. But let's focus on if you want a healthy lunch, satisfying, gratifying, and helps the metabolism move the needle. That's what I'm going to share with you today. Thanks for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. And I love to teach you how to be confident in the kitchen and confident with your health. So please hit like and subscribe so you and I can stay connected. And I want to welcome you to the Biblical Nutritionist family. Now, today it's only 3 ingredients. That's it. So you can just grab your favorite fish, whether it's tuna or salmon, and go ahead and get about 4 to 6 ounces per serving. So if you're just making it for yourself, that's all you need. So 4 to 6 ounces per serving, kind of flake it up a little bit. Then we're going to add an avocado. We're just going to slice that open real quickly. And per serving, you only need 1/2 an avocado. So we'll just scoop that out. Now the tuna is going to give us high quality protein. So the fish that we're using is either a salmon or a tuna. And you just want to cream that up together, and depending on how ripe your avocado is going to determine how creamy your mixture is. So hopefully you have a really ripe one. Mine's a little bit on the green side, so it's not quite as creamy as I wanted, but still it's going to work. Now, the only other ingredient that you can add to this is your favorite seasonings. So I always use Nature's Seasonings. It just has a good blend, but any of your favorite herbs are going to work really well with this. So just blend it up, cream it together, season it to your liking, and then we're just going to put it on some celery sticks, and we are going to have a very satisfying meal. It's satisfying and weight loss because it's high protein, because we need that satisfying, so it helps to balance ghrelin and your leptin, which keeps you hungry and satisfied at the right times of the day. And so it's okay to be hungry if it's time to eat. It's not okay to be hungry if it's not time to eat. So we need the healthy fats for that to work right, and we need the healthy protein. So the fats and the protein are in the avocado, and the fats and the protein are in the fish. So we have it perfect both ways. So whether you use tuna or whether you use salmon, your choice. Go ahead and cream it up together. Put it on your celery stick, and then enjoy. Okay. This is lunch today. If you were here, I'd share it. But since you're not, go make it for yourself. Enjoy it. Healthy fats, healthy brain, healthy metabolism, healthy hormones, healthy weight loss. Satisfying, delicious. You can add lemon juice, other ingredients, all you want. Keep your base, fish and avocado, and you win every time. Thanks for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. Stay connected, hit the like, subscribe, and join our Facebook group, Biblical Nutrition Academy. Can't wait to see you there.